Right now I'm being attacked by the Tuesday Weedwackers. I think there should be a law giving us a 15-minute warning to keep these bastards from disturbing my day. I was doing fine hanging out in my studio till these Weedwacker, Windblower, chainsaw, lawnmower men came around. Bastards! Kill them all! Kill the Weedwacker! Dead! Windblower man! Dead! You're all dead!
Windblower man dead.
Chainsaw man! Dead!
Chainsaw man dead.
Lawnmower man! Dead!
Lawnmower man dead.
Kill the Weedwackers, bastards!